Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to invite someone to Wishlist Amazon shopping on computer. So how to invite someone to Wishlist Amazon shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on your list section. Tap the list you want to change. Well, here you will enter your list menu. Next, tap on the menu section, tap the Invite button here. Well, it will appear like this. Well, here there are two ways to invite someone to your Wishlist. Here you can invite using a link. With this Abakina link. And by inviting with an email account. So that's it, tutorial how to invite someone to Wishlist Amazon shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.